Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool amazing product right here that is in use for traveling, and it's actually really useful and quite amazing, to be honest. So first thing first, let's actually open up and show you guys what it is and what comes inside this package first, and then we'll talk about the product. So when you first open the package, they gave you an instruction guide on how to use it and all the different functionalities that's on this product, and then the actual product is right here. So pretty much what the product is, it is a travel adapter that you guys can use to travel and plug in wherever you guys go. So you guys can see right here, it has different countries of where you guys can actually use it. So England, UK, Australia, US, and a lot of these different plugs, you guys can use it at different areas. So like Singapore, you guys can use the UK, and I believe in Thailand, you guys can use the EU. So let's actually show you guys what is on here first. So let's say the EU, for example, the way how you guys would actually take that out is by the back part, this little button. So you click on that and then you pull this part right here. So let me do that and show you guys what I mean. So that's the EU, and I guess Thailand used that too, but you guys can see there's other ones as well. So if you guys want to put it back, just put the button in the back and then push this part forward and then close back. Same thing for all the other ones as well. So when you guys are using one, you guys can't use another one. So make sure you guys put it back and then push out the other one, and same for the other one as well. You guys can see right here, there's all the different ports right here if you guys want to plug in the certain cables of where you guys are actually going to. So if you guys are planning to go to like Singapore or Thailand, which is where I'm going to be going soon, you guys can actually use those two outputs right here to plug it onto the wall right here, and you guys can use the US output right here to actually charge the device. Or if you guys don't want to use that, or you guys forgot to bring your cables for that, you guys have this option right here where you guys can actually plug this part in. So it actually comes with 3 USB outputs, and each one is 2.4A, and then comes with a Type-C cable right here where you can actually use that as well. So if you guys don't want to use that, you want to use this, you guys can. Or if you guys want to use this, you have 3 different options on here. So that leads me on to the next cool thing about this product. So if you guys use all 4 of these outputs, you guys can actually use all 4 and plug this at the same time. So it actually works all at the same time. And how do I know that? Because I actually already tested it out, but I'm actually going to show you guys that right now. So let's go test it out and show you guys what I mean, and then come back and talk about the product. Alright, so here we have the adapter. We're going to plug it in to see when that actually works. We're going to use the US one for now. Alright, let's plug it in. Alright, so as you can see, when you plug it in, the light turns on. That's how you know it's on. So let's plug in all the other ports and see when that works. So first one we could plug in is the anchor cable. Let's see when that works first. Alright, so we just plugged it in. Let's see if it works or not. And this is for this device right here. Let's see when that works. Alright, so it does work. So that one part works. Let's see if the other one works as well. So next we're going to plug in this part right here with the USB-C onto our power bank. And you guys can see it is charging, but right now it's 100%, so it can't really charge anything. But we'll leave that on and see when the other things work as well. So next up, we're gonna charge our other iPhones. Alright, so you can see that one's charging, this one's still charging, this one's still charging. So 3 products at the same time, it does work. We'll continue on to see whether or not it still works. Now we're gonna charge our Anchor speakers, see when that works as well. Alright, so with that one plugged in, let's see when it works. Alright, so you can see this one is charging as well, and all the products are still charging as well. So 4 products at the same time and it still worked. Let's try one more and see whether or not all 5 work at the same time. Alright, so we just plugged in our 4th and final cable. So the 4th and final cable, it does work. So everything is actually still charging, you guys can see. So that's 1 device right here, 2 device right here, 3 right here, 4, 5. So all 5 products work at the same time, which is pretty amazing. And it has all this over voltage protection, over current protection, all that good stuff that's on this product. So it's an amazing product. Alright, welcome back guys. So now that you guys saw the test of the product, you guys can see what I meant by all 4 work at the same time, which is pretty amazing. So especially when you guys are going to traveling to different countries, different places, you know that they have different type of outputs, plugs that are being used out there. So having one of these actually is really useful, and for the price range it's actually really reasonable. So for this one in particular, it costs around $19 and you're getting all of this on here. Not only are you getting all the plugs outputs as on here, you're actually getting the protection that's actually built in as well. So it's over current protection, over charge protection, short circuit protection, and over voltage protection. And it has a really smart current distribution kind of technology that's inside, so that way when you guys are actually charging multiple products at the same time, it won't overcharge and it actually evens out all the products. That way everything is charged equally and actually charged as fast as each one should be. But one thing to remember is that when you guys are using this product, there's certain products that it does not support. So let's say like a laptop it does support, but like a water boiler or steamer to like steam your clothes, or like a hair iron or hair something, those will actually not work. So that's one thing to actually remember if you guys are planning to use one of those products. But if you guys are just planning to use it for like laptops, smartphones, headphones, or just charging your products like a power bank or something, all of that actually does work. And it's actually amazing the fact that it actually worked for those, because those are all the travel things that you guys will actually bring around with you everywhere you guys go. So with all that being said and sharing the test and everything, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. Honestly, for me, I had to say that this product is actually really worth it. So I'm actually doing a trip like probably in a week or so, and then I'm going to Singapore, going to Thailand, and you guys will be able to see the update video of that soon. But so after I've come back from that trip, I'm going to tell you guys and show you guys maybe videos, footage of using this at Singapore and Thailand and where not actually it works and how fast it charges and all that good stuff. But if you guys don't need it or don't think you guys need it, then obviously don't buy it. But for me, honestly, since I'm planning to travel a lot more now, I'm gonna need one of these, and the fact that I got one now is actually really amazing. And the fact that it has everything built in exactly how I wanted it to be is pretty amazing. But other than that, that's pretty much it for this little unboxing, testing, and feedback of the product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout of the day, we have